Thanks for dropping by. Welcome to the overly diversified dividend portfolio. The overly diversified dividend portfolio, ticker symbol number 1. Here's your classic disclaimer slide. Please take time to acknowledge this information. Invest at your own risk. Today's pick, ticker symbol number 1, BGT.TO, trading at $10.20. Dividend info, 0.39 cents per share per year, with a monthly payment of 3 cents per share. Share price started trading December 2000 at $3.16, currently trading at $10.20. Quick math, if you bought in 2000, if you put in $10,000 at $3.16, you'd have 3,164 shares. In today's value, if you held, not including dividends, you'd have $32,273. Dividend info, started paying dividends in 2001. Payment history, variable amount. Dividend info, 0.39 cents. Annualized payment per share. Payment, 3 cents monthly per share. Quick math section. If you buy $10,000 worth of shares, you would receive $29.41 per month. Company info, story from the company. f.i.r.e has been proudly building Canada for over a century, from building key infrastructure to building military bases, complex industrial facilities, and thousands of homes. f.i.r.e has made an impact in industry, commercial, institutional, and mining sectors. Today, multiple projects in the works around Canada. Follow the link for more info. Why I like it. Attractive share price of $10.20 per share, with a monthly dividend of 3 cents. The company has been paying dividends since 2001. The company has been paying out a dividend of between 35 to 40% of earnings. The company has been trading since 2000. The company has been around since the 1920s. The company is actively seeking new projects. Reference investor presentation on the company website. What others are saying. Fair value estimate, plus $20 price range. Earnings are forecast to grow at 19.15% per year. Earnings grew by 130% over the past year. Pays a reliable dividend of 3.82%. Conclusion. Information shared here was sourced from financial documents available on the company's website, f.i.r.e. Dividend data was sourced from dividendhistory.org. Share price information was sourced from Yahoo Finance. That's the end of my presentation. Thanks for dropping by. Do your own research. Make sure that this stock is right for your portfolio.